दर्यादेगेवयले राज्य म्हण गोंय ग्रीन इकॉनॉमी आणि ब्लू इकॉनॉमी मुखार व्हरपाक कटिबद्ध आसा। दर्याच्या संसाधनाच्या जबाबदार वापरा वांगडाच फुडें वचूंक जाय अशें आमी मानतात। हो समतोल आमच्या फुडाराची व्याख्या करतलो, आर्थीक प्रगती घडोवन हाडटलो, पर्यावरण संरक्षणाक आदार दितलो म्हूण मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत उलयल्यात। RTX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
This is not only the proud moment for Goa, it is a meaningful responsibility. At this important moment, I would like to express a deep appreciation for the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, who consistently strengthened India's path towards the energy security, energy self-reliance and climate responsibility. Under his leadership, India has emerged as a global voice of solutions anchored in capability, confidence and commitment. Our energy journey today reflects not only the nation's priority, but also the clear international message India will lead with the responsibility, innovations and inclusive growth. India's progress towards the Vikasit Bharat depends on the reliable energy, power that is available, affordable and resilient. Goa fully shares these national visions and committed to building a Vikasit Goa supported by the sustainable development and future-ready infrastructure. Goa has articulated a clean energy roadmap and with the vision to transition towards the 100% renewable energy by 2050. With the wide international participation and strong industry presence, the India Energy Week 2026 will support tourism services, local entrepreneurs and employment, contributing directly to the regional growth. This event will not only generate the discussion inside the conference hall, but also creates the opportunity behind them, benefiting the local community and strengthening the Goa's position as a global destination for the dialogue and development in green economy and blue economy, the Goa's dual responsibility. As a coastal state, the Goa is committed to advancing both green economy and the blue economy. We believe clean energy and sustainable development must progress together with the responsible use of ocean resource. This balance will define our future, where economic progress supports the environmental protections and developmental strength resilience. India Energy Week 2026 is a moment for partnership. The world needs the solutions that are practical, scalable and inclusive. Let us use this platform to collaborate across the border, share best practices, mobilize investment and accelerate the innovation so that the energy transitions become the global success story.